In this video,
we will learn how to get a stretch resolution in Fortnite. In order to get a stretch resolution in Fortnite, firstly we'll open up Windows. After that, we'll head to the search panel of Windows. From here, type in Run and click on Open to open the Run window. Now in here, we'll type %local app data %, then hit OK. Now we are in the local file of app data folder. From here we need to navigate to Fortnite game folder, then go to saved, config, Windows client, and open up game user settings. After coming to game user settings, we need to scroll down until we find the resolution settings. So in here we will see that the resolution size X and Y are available. So we'll just change it to a stretch resolution, or whatever resolution that is in your mind, you can put it in here. And also the last confirmed desired screen width and height should also be changed, and desired screen width and height. After you have saved the settings, go to File, click on Save and Exit. Now make sure that you make this file read-only so Fortnite doesn't accidentally change it. Right click on it, go to Properties. From here, click on the Read-Only tab, then hit Apply and OK. After that, close the window. From the search panel, open up Epic Games Launcher. Now open Fortnite. So after we get into the game, as you can see, we are playing in a stretch resolution and we can enjoy as we like. So this is how you can easily change your resolution to stretch or whatever you desire in Fortnite. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.